Welcome to this tutorial on bond yield versus bond price. Today, you'll learn about one of the most fundamental concepts in bond investing, the inverse relationship between bond prices and bond yields. Understanding this relationship is crucial for anyone looking to invest in bonds or understand how interest rate changes affect fixed income markets. Before diving into the relationship, let's understand what a bond is. A bond is essentially a loan that you, as an investor, give to a government or corporation. When you purchase a bond, you're lending money to the issuer. In return for your loan, the issuer pays you regular interest, which is called a coupon payment. At the end of the bond's term, known as maturity, the issuer returns your original investment, called the principal amount. There are two key terms you need to know. First is bond price, which refers to the current market value of the bond. This is what you would pay if you bought the bond today, or what you would receive if you sold it. Second is bond yield, which represents the return you earn from holding the bond. The yield takes into account both the coupon payments and any gain or loss from buying the bond at a price different from its face value. Here's the core concept. Bond prices and interest rates move in opposite directions. When interest rates in the market go up, bond prices go down. Conversely, when interest rates fall, bond prices rise. This inverse relationship is always at work in the bond market, and understanding it helps investors make better decisions about buying and selling bonds. Let's look at a concrete example. Suppose you own a bond that pays 5% interest annually. Now imagine that market interest rates rise to 7%. New bonds being issued now offer this higher 7% rate. Your bond, paying only 5%, becomes less attractive to potential buyers. To sell your bond, you would need to offer it at a discount, meaning a lower price, so that buyers can achieve a yield closer to the current 7% market rate. Why does this happen? The answer is simple. Investors always prefer higher-yielding investments. When your old bond offers a lower interest rate than newly issued bonds, it must compensate by selling at a discount. This lower purchase price effectively increases the yield for new buyers. By paying less for the same fixed interest payments, new investors can achieve a return that's competitive with current market rates. Now let's consider the opposite scenario. Suppose your bond pays 5% interest, but market interest rates drop to 3%. Suddenly, your bond is very attractive because it offers a higher return than newly issued bonds. Investors are willing to pay a premium, meaning a higher price, to own your bond. As the price rises, the effective yield for new buyers decreases, but it's still competitive with the lower market rates. Here's your key takeaway. Bond prices and yields always move in opposite directions. When one goes up, the other goes down. This inverse relationship is a fundamental principle of bond investing. Whether you're buying bonds for income, diversification, or capital preservation, understanding this relationship helps you anticipate how your bond investments will respond to changes in interest rates. Thank you for learning with us today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.